probably do the tutorial, right?
Lunatic?
That's probably possible. For me to do...
It's possible. It's possible, yes.
I mean, I know that.
I win!
I mean, I know it's possible. We spent months playtesting it.
My food is ready.
Holy crap, Matt's food's ready. Save me a slice. Damn, didn't respond.
Wait, what? What?
Anyways, I'm doing a tutorial Lunatic, I hope. I'm too lazy to remember how to hide jump.
If only you could remember.
And I still refuse to use multi-bind, so...
I believe you need to press... Well, you need to press... Shift... Up... Grab... And jump. All at the same time. If I'm correct. So you need to press like four keys at once. Yep, just like that.
I can't do it anymore.
Yep, and now if you're able to combine that with a fast walk, then you're basically just able to go really far. However, if you're not multi-binding it, yeah, if you're not multi-binding, I don't know if it's as worth it, because if you don't get it first try, you're just kind of fucked in any scenario.
Oh god. Ah! Copyright! Never mind.
Nah, I think Milk would win. Can I beat Oregano Desert Lap 5 on crack mode before the heat death of the universe?
Well, since now full course is fused with round 2, Milk, if this is the winning attempt, you might need to censor this in the video. Rip round 2 in pursuit. Seems like... I doubt we'd make a lap heliport to like full game edits, like full course is, or was, I assume it still is.
I don't think we would either. Although that's not my decision to call, of course.
Yeah. I mean, we did say character mods and not full game edits.
Did Matt ever use his pass? No.
I don't say it, even with a quote-unquote pass.
It's like, I think I'm...
He wants me to say the N-word. He wants to hear me say the N-word.
That's suspicious. I feel like he does not want to hear that. I feel like he wants to hear that for nefarious purposes.
It's Spark.
Awesome! That was a great... Awesome!
Damn.
Got to lap 5
Look at how much
immediately got
time
killed.
I have.
Well,
I
looks
have
like
so
you won't
much-
need to censor that in the video.
Yeah! We're so back. My stabilization.
So I'm assuming everyone just hit
We're
like
sorry to interrupt
5,000
you, Elizabeth, if you still even...
Yeah, I did.
I think so.
Man, that was a great attempt! Awesome! I'm so good at this game.
Yeah, imagine if John could, like, teleport on screen. Wouldn't that be so funny?
Huh?
Kidding, this makes me want to kill myself.
Bruh! Killing myself. 13 minutes, I can handle that.
Okay, now if I just do that, but better, I win.
My patience wears thin. I don't like the tutorial as a level. Because it's a tutorial. It's not supposed to be a level. And yet it is.
I'm gonna kill myself. It's possible, I don't care, I'm not doing it. This mod fucking sucks, no one likes it.
Well, that part was
The end of discussion. And most of all, it's blood!
I'm so happy I got this tutorial so much.
Gamer Games just pretend casually that I was also not a part of the problem, a part of the cause of his server just getting deleted.
Who?
The guy who owned that shitty laptop clone. I was also one of them. Just casually there. I mean, it's fair. I don't know. Lap Vault Peak. They just store lap shit here, I guess. I don't fucking know.
I'd really appreciate it if I could beat it this time. Holy crap, it's sick.
No.
Awesome.
Hmm.
Oh my god, let's go!
Good job, Milk.
Good job. Now
That's
do what is
already
not.
2 lunatics. Holy crap. Oh right, I need to ask... I should probably ask Sai if I have permission to show this. Considering that's not in the public build.
No, actually, that's probably a good idea. You probably should.
I'll ask him later, though. Like, before I edit.
When he gets back.
Yeah. Holy crap, tutorial. Yippee!